Hi there, amazing viewers. Do you love creating animated stories? And are you eager to unlock premium features on Plotagon Story? Well, listen up. I've got some fantastic news just for you. I'm so excited to announce that I'm giving away Plotagon Golden Ticket to some lucky subscribers. That is right. You could be a proud owner of this exclusive membership for free and for life. So how can you win? It's simple. Just follow these three simple steps. Step 1, subscribe to my channel. Step 2, like this video. And step 3, comment below your name and the country you are watching from. Take a screenshot and send it to me via WhatsApp. The link will be available in the description box of this video. And that is it. Okay, make sure you send me the screenshot so that I can enter you into the giveaway. Do not miss this incredible opportunity to level up your storytelling videos with Plotagon premium features. Just like these lucky winners who have already benefited from the golden tickets in our previous video, you could be the next. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like, comment, and send me a screenshot, and let's make your Plotagon dream come true. I can't wait to see you in the other side. Bye for now. One love. Ciao, ciao.